Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface 1796. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this video, it's likely that your Surface 1796 has a cracked screen and, unfortunately, the touch functionality is no longer working. This often happens due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen, and if not addressed quickly, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. Today, we'll show you how to replace that screen to get your device back in working order. For this repair, you will need a replacement screen, a heat gun or hairdryer, a suction cup, a plastic prying tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and some tweezers. First, ensure your Surface 1796 is powered off. To open the device safely, gently heat the edges of the screen using the heat gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive. Once warmed, take the suction cup and place it on the screen, pulling gently while using the plastic prying tool to carefully lift the screen away from the body of the device. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. After the screen has been removed, locate the broken screen's connection to the motherboard. This is usually secured with a couple of screws, which you will need to carefully unscrew using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the screen's ribbon cable from the motherboard. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align the ribbon cable of the new screen with the port on the motherboard and ensure it's seated correctly before securing it in place with the screws. Remember to apply just the right amount of pressure to avoid stripping the screws. As you prepare to reattach the screen, make sure to clean the edges of the device and the new screen to remove any old adhesive. Carefully position the new screen over the device, making sure all edges are aligned. Once in place, apply firm pressure around the edges to ensure it adheres properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your Surface 1796 and test the touch functionality to confirm that everything is working perfectly. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider using a protective case or screen protector to absorb shocks and resist scratches. Also, try to handle your device with care to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.